Class, a tough class really. Just to talk to as individuals, starting with number one, that would have been the belted barrow there. One that you really like from a muscle standpoint, really shapely, high cutability, kind of a hog. From a build standpoint, not as good. Roaches in his top, get shorter and steeper about his hip, and just one that we didn't want to sort him into the top pair, so he falls in the bottom pair. Then from there you have the two. I think the two hog, the white barrel. One that we found pretty easy to go by. Sure, he's one of the better designed hogs, but from a muscle and product standpoint and condition, he's the lightest muscle barrel. That's just the heaviest in this condition, and keeping in mind it's a market hog class, he's just going to be the least valuable when taken to the rail. And then you're left with the top pair between 4 and 3, and we thought this was pretty close. We went ahead and started with the blue-butted barrel in 4. One from a total standpoint just brought the most to the table. Really good built kind of a barrel, wide-chested, plenty of muscle, plenty of shape. Still has got some boldness of rib. It gets out and travels with a wide range of motion off both ends of the skeleton. One that we just couldn't really punch a big hole in, so he ran himself to the top. And then there's the belted gilt that follows suit in second. One from a leanness and cutability standpoint, best in class. But in relative to the class winner, she's shallower and harder about the center portion of her body. And from a build standpoint, she just gets a little more rock forward in her blade and a little shorter and steeper out of her hip. So therefore, we rode them 4, 3, 1, and 2, and we cut them 2, 3, and 2.